The primary goal in every CPS case is family reunification. Unfortunately, only about 30% of children are reunified with their parents. Imagine any other industry where we would tolerate a 70% failure rate. For a child to be removed from the home and put into foster care, the court must find that there is an immediate risk to the child's physical health or safety, or that the child is a victim of neglect or sexual abuse. There can be a removal immediately based on an immediate risk in the home without a court order, and after that, the investigator must go to the court within 1 day and get a court order that allows the removal or allows the continuation of the child in care. Within 14 days of a removal, there is a process called the adversary hearing. This is the parent's first opportunity to present evidence on their behalf and try to obtain possession of their children back from the government. Now, the thought here is if the child must remain in foster care, then there's some condition in the home that is a continuing danger to the child and something that the parents should work on in order to get their children back. Unfortunately, even when that danger is alleviated, the system really quits asking the question of, is the child safe at home, and begins to ask the question of, are the parents complying with their service plan? A service plan is a list of services that the parents must complete in order for them to get their children back from the state. The average length of time a child stays out of his or her home after removal is 13 months. And the reason that this is the case is we're not waiting 13 months for the home to be safe. We're waiting 13 months for the parents to complete their list of services. We talk a lot about child trauma as a result of neglect or abuse. In my experience, the major trauma that children in foster care experience is through the removal and separation from their family. Children in foster care exhibiting behaviors tend to get a diagnosis and may get psychotropic medications prescribed without parent consent. Really, foster care is dangerous for children. We've had a recent federal court case that said oftentimes children come into care for neglect and leave much worse than when they came in. And so what we need to do at every hearing is we need to ask, is there a continuing danger in the home? We need to identify what the danger in the home is, and we need to make sure that the services the parents have been ordered to participate in is addressing that danger. As soon as it's safe for children to go home, they should go home.